Yeah, let's go. Have you ever found yourself in a situation whereby you just like myself today, you just all of a sudden find the screen of your MT5 on Android like this? This is a line chart where you have only the line chart on your screen, and you are wondering how you can just change in between line chart to candlestick chart or bar chart if you want. Today I'm going to show you how you can change between line chart, candlestick, and bar chart on Android, on MT5 on Android. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is on your screen, tap on it and then choose setting. These settings like here, you choose testing like say there, you come to the top here, you see line type, you see line chart. So you tap on it, then there are three options that you are given. You have line chart, candlestick, and bar chart. Then here we are going to choose candlestick to set to candlestick chart. So if we go back to our screen, you see we have our candlestick. Then if you want to change this to bar chart, you just do the same thing again. You tap, go to settings here, go here to the line type, and then choose bar chart. If that's done, and if you go back, you see that our distance is our candlestick is now bar chart. So if you want to like change it back to line chart, you still do the same thing. Go to settings here, go here, and then choose line chart option. Then if you go back to the screen, I hope this video has proved to be beneficial. And if you want to see more of these types of video, I want you to subscribe to this channel.